Blue has kind of been a handful lately. He's come out of his shell and now he wants to attack and maul people when they come in to let him out. So I've been working with him today and trying to find something that works. And so far this seems to work the best, is we can get him to calm a little bit before we even open the gate. And then just walk in quietly, and I'm just going to use the leash and the martingale collar. I'm not going to use the harness right now. But we go in quietly. If he tries to reach for it or tries to bite at the leash or the collar, we're just going to tell him no and wait him out. I've started working with him on the impulse control. I've got treats in my pocket so I can use treats to focus him after I get him to sit, if I need to do that. So let's hear how it works. No. Sit. Sit. Good. Sit. Good boy. No. Good boy. That no. Good boy. Look at me. Blue. Good boy. No. No. Blue. Blue. Hey. Sit. No. 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 That's a good boy. Thank you. What a good boy. Thanks. Oh, what a nice catch. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, I can take your paw. Okay, come here. Up. And then just do a chest wrap on him real quick before he figures out what you're doing. Make sure it's up against his legs so it's tight around his chest. And he's usually been a peach. No. No. Easy. Easy. And then it's just like letting any other dog out from any of the other stuff that I've told and shown around. Big thing is just keeping him calm once we get through. Nope. Back up. Back. No. Over here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. No. Sit. Sit. Okay, easy. And the end.